Hello friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore. Now before we start the analysis, if you are new to this channel, then make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, press the bell notification. After watching this video, if you find some values, so subscribe and like. And below the video, you will find many links. The top 4 links are for those people who wants to make money in swing trading. Okay, so the first link says swing trading on automation, so you can click on this link, then come to this page here, and then this is the the software I have created, which you can install on your chart and start your daily swing trading. Okay, so maybe I'm the first human on the planet to automate daily swing trading, so I have transferred my human knowledge into this robot, and everything is created by me. So if you want to automate the whole process of daily charts into trading, then check out the first link below which says swing trading on automation. Then second link is about join free Telegram. So make sure you connect with my free Telegram at least if you want to get some signals every now and then, or you want to stay updated. So join Telegram absolutely for free. Just below that, you have a link which says join premium signals. So in case you want to get some premium signals, you can check that out. And then check out the brokers in the prop firm right here. And make sure you join these brokers because I have been using them for last maybe 4 years and more. And they have, no issues in withdrawals, because when you are into trading, the biggest problem is if your broker will pay you the money on time or not, or if they will run away with your money. Okay, so these are those trusted brokers in the pro firms. So go and join them to start your trading journey. Subscribe, like all of that, and check out these links. As I said, top 4 links are for traders, and these below links are for affiliate marketing. If you want to make money with affiliate marketing on YouTube or other stuff. Okay, so you can check out everything. Top 4 belongs to the traders, right? And especially if you want to automate everything, then check out the first one and come to this page, watch this video to see the results. Now subscribe, like blah blah blah. Now let's start the analysis. All right, Euro USD analysis today. So let's start the top down approach with weekly time frame. Weekly, we have 2 back-to-back blue candles. Okay, so looks like we are going to continue the upside for some time. So we are still above the EMA. Okay, so coming back to daily chart, we broke above the EMA on Thursday. Then this Friday candle closed with the rejection. Okay, so we are right at the EMA, and if you go and watch my Sunday's video, let me see when was Sunday. This is Thursday, this is Friday. We were on this candle, I guess. This is Monday, so we were on this candle last week when I recorded the video. So on this candle, I told you we will touch the EMA and nobody can stop this to happen, okay? So if you listen to me on this candle last Sunday, you made your profits until the EMA. And that was me who told you this, okay? So if you listen to me, you made money, free money, okay? But if your ego is too much, good luck to you. So if you don't like, you don't subscribe. This is a reason why I don't record daily videos. If I want, or if I have some motivation, I can come and record these analysis on daily basis. Why I don't do that? Because 99% people who are watching are thankless, okay? They think it's just a random guy doing the analysis. I'm just not a random guy. I'm doing this because you can't do it, okay? When I say it, because I am in your mobile, I'm in your laptop, I'm in your tablet, you are not in mine, okay? So coming back to 4 hour, I think we're gonna go up. Rejection will come from the EMA. Okay, so this is your uptrend, higher highs and then lower highs. Okay, so new highs created here. We will come until the EMA, maybe reject the EMA and then blue candle, and then we go long. Okay, so your next support is right here. Sorry, resistance. This is your resistance. Price will reach 1700. Close your eyes and take the trade long. Okay, so we're gonna take down this high. This high was at 1722. Take your profits 10 pips before 1710 is your realistic target. Okay, that will happen, but that could take maybe next 5 days. Okay, I'm not saying everything will happen in just one day. Do you get it? This is your exhausting period, I believe. So we might get a pullback. So if you see this is your uptrend. Okay, this is your new uptrend now. We might get a pullback until maybe 50% like this, and then bounce back. Okay, so again, one more confirmation. This is the downtrend which is over, because this pullback is more than 78%. Okay, so you see new low, and a pullback was supposed to happen. The pullback should have finished on this candle, on this small candle, but it did not happen. We had a blue candle again on Thursday. So this means that this is the start of a new uptrend. Okay, This is not a pullback because these high are more than 78%. This is the start of a new uptrend. Pullback probably, or maybe not, who knows. Okay, so maybe directly we will go up or pull back for next couple of days in the beginning of the week. Monday, Tuesday might be the pullback week, and then we'll surely go up. So this is your resistance. We will take profits here. Okay, that's it. Too much for free. Okay, subscribe, like, share, and join free Telegram, join the brokers, and get the software if you want. I'll see you in the next video. So then take care.